In this video, we're talking about the ultimate form of captured recurrence, automation. This is where we delegate work to technology, letting our tools handle the repetitive stuff so that we can focus on the creative, high-value work. There are three main types of automation that I'll cover here: keyboard shortcuts, text expansion, and macros. First up, keyboard shortcuts. They provide quick access to frequently used functions without having to move your hands from the keyboard. Some shortcuts like copy for Command C or Control C if you're on Mac or Windows, paste Command V or Control V, and undo Command Z or Control Z are universal. But each app also has its own sets of shortcuts for common actions. Learning just a handful of these can save you a surprising amount of time over the course of a week, a month, a year. Next, we have text expansion. This is where you assign short abbreviations to longer chunks of text, like email templates or standard responses to questions and queries. When you type the abbreviation, your text expansion app replaces it with the full text. It's like having a shorthand for your most common messages. This not only saves typing time, but also ensures consistency and reduces errors. Finally, there are macros. Macros automate entire procedures by stringing together sequences of actions, keystrokes, menu selections, mouse clicks, and much more. Essentially, they replicate how you would manually execute a procedure, but with the power of automation. The key to effective automation is having a clear understanding of the manual process first. You need to know the steps of a procedure or the content of a template before you can automate those things. Once you have that, you translate those steps into the language of your automation tool, whether that's Keyboard Maestro on the Mac, AutoHotkey on Windows, or any number of other tools. One of the cool things about automation is that it's not just about efficiency. It also makes you more likely to do certain tasks at all. When you reduce the friction involved in a task, you're more inclined to do it consistently. It's like how I automated part of the process for birthday wishes for my Facebook friends. It's not that I don't care about my friends. It's actually quite the opposite. I automated it because I want to reliably wish them well, and I know I'm more likely to do that if it's quick and simple. Remember, the goal isn't to automate everything. It's to automate the right things, the repetitive things, so that you can focus your energy and your creative attention where it matters the most. If you want to learn more about this and other productivity strategies, check out my book, The Rhythms of Productivity, available on Amazon.